開始入閘咯喎，見到啊海動奇景啦，同埋進步道係入咗閘嘅喎。呢匹就長堤碼頭嚟嘅。好啦，浩迪。嗱，其他馬就因為鏡頭交代唔到啊，而家唔知係咪爭呢兩匹未入嘅啫。長堤碼頭咁同埋阿倫克爾。好啦，阿倫克爾排最餓檔嘅，似乎都係啦嚇。好啦，2025年嘅澳洲冠軍錦標，11匹馬入晒閘，隨時起步，準備。好，咁一起步嘅時候咧，慢咗嗰匹係輕取勝喎，出得快啲外檔嘅阿倫克爾啦，同埋進步道嘅，咁啊中間就長堤碼頭啦，內檔嗰邊黃金旅途都快，咁啊再跟住個馬咧，先見到咧，仲有咧就浩迪都係比較前嘅位置嘅，跟住佢哋剔糖小貓唔太後嘅啫，內檔嗰邊有點數王啦，然之後先係高快企啊，哇精緻之道都幾後喎，尾3嘅啫，尾就海動奇景啊，包尾嗰匹咧就起步慢咗嘅輕取勝啦，好啦跑咗400米到啦，阿倫克爾暫時就放咗出嚟先嘅，跟住佢就進步道嚟嘅，守喺第3位內檔上到嚟就黃金旅途啦，捉翻住喺第4就長堤碼頭，咁跟住嘅馬浩迪啦、剔糖小貓啦，然之後就點數王噃，跟住啦高快企喺第8位嘅，再跟住嘅馬先見到咧仲有海動奇景啦，拍住佢嘅大滿嘅精緻之道留到尾二㗎，包緊尾咧仲係輕取勝嘅，好啦開始入彎嘅時候啦，前邊咧阿倫克爾咧暫時帶咗個幾馬位出嚟嘅，守喺2、3位就一對同彩衣嘅馬，紅帽嗰匹咧就進步道啊，內檔攝咗上嚟就黃金旅途嘅，哇喺呢長堤碼頭搞出去3碟喎，仲有啲側地嘅個頭啊！再跟住個馬咧，仲有浩迪啦、剔糖小貓仔外檔上咗啲㗎啦，然之後內檔咧仲有點數王啦，中間就高快企啊！精緻之道暫時喺尾3，輕取勝就尾2，包咗落尾變咗海動奇景，頭尾馬距離唔係太遠啫，即講緊都係7個馬位到，一路轉緊彎啦，向住就直路進發㗎啦。阿倫克爾啊仲帶緊頭嘅，長堤碼頭上嚟拍下佢先啦，俾啲壓力佢啊！出邊上到嚟哇，剔糖小貓有啲細喎，中間嗰隊都開始騎啦，進步道啦、黃金旅途啦、精緻之道亦都湧咗上嚟，走出外檔嘅輕取勝啦，然之後咧出埋去外檔咧仲有海動奇景，走內檔搏位咧就點數王高快企嘅，入隊就直路嘅時候啦，咁前邊仲有阿倫克爾少少優勢啦，但係長堤碼頭都準備過佢，精緻之道都現身啦，走內檔上咧就進步道啦，然之後上嚟嘅剔糖小貓啊，最後300米嘅時候啦，前面精緻之道咧開始騎落去，剔糖小貓一路黐住佢，中間上緊嚟嘅馬咧長堤碼頭內檔係進步道嘅，咁前面精緻之道咧有1個馬位優勢到啦，睇嚟要爭2、3、4名啦，進步道啊，剔糖小貓同埋長堤碼頭爭，前面精緻之道走翻上呢條路贏埋冠軍錦標啊！第2名進步道先啊，第3名嘅剔糖小貓，第4名嘅長堤碼頭㗎，唔需要擔心啦，同舊年嘅路係一模一樣。咁啊呢場咧比郭士頓贏得輕鬆啲添。
好啦，哇！進步道搶到個第2喎，
真係靠個鋭啊，
好嘢啊！咁啊，剔糖小貓同埋長堤碼頭就爭3，
好似剔糖小貓先啲啊！
咁咪對手係自己嘅啫，
級數啦，
對手係自己嘅啫。
因為如果你話進步道攞第2嘅，咁其他嗰啲都唔會係佢對手。
唉，輕取勝諗住會唔會牙個好度出
起唔到
慢咗。咁啊諗住長堤碼頭有個好位嘅，點知沿途3碟。
有啲搶口添，
隻馬搶口啊，
有啲搶口。
始終嗰個步頻都未調到跑10花窿。
但係其實就見到步浩榮直路都同你定住咁樣鬥
都忍多陣先騎㗎啦。哇！今日啊，苗僑美都好嘢啊，進步道都可以跑翻第2啊。
不過隻馬係鋭嘅，我都同意係鋭嘅隻馬。咁今日見佢喺沙圈都冇走樣嘅，咁都贏都合理啦。佢本身個級數高過佢哋嘅。
It wouldn't be Melbourne Cup week without J-Mac riding a Group 1 winner. Via Sistina, that's 12 Group 1s for this mighty mare. She's got a big long stride, she's got big ears, but she's got a big heart.
Yeah, she certainly does. She's an absolute pleasure to ride, and how good are they? They just prep them up beautifully. Waller and his team, and man, she was cool today. Real cool. So.
The Kiwi connection, yourself and Waller, this is your 50th Group 1 together.
Yeah, I think we're not far off one of the greatest combinations in Australian racing history. So that's something to aim up at. But he's been a great supporter of mine. I'm very lucky to be part of his team. And you're right, superstars like this, it's always a pleasure, but it was basically a copy and paste from last year. Sit back and let her rip.
Yeah, they did all the work. That's 2 Cox Plates in back-to-back years, 2 Champion Stakes. She's one of the best mares we've seen.
Yeah, absolutely. She deserves her champion status, and I thought her dual Cox Plate winner is very satisfying, as well as she deserves that mantelpiece. She sits along with some of the greats that have ever graced our racetracks, and I think she thoroughly deserves that because she's been a long servant and a fantastic one at that.
Yeah, well, she's got a fair pilot on board. That's they can't catch you in the world champion leaderboard either, so it'll be 3 wins out of the last 4 years. Congratulations, mate.
Yeah, something that we're all proud of and we aim for, and when you ride great horses like this, it makes our job a lot easier, but it was a pretty smooth watch today.
Enjoy the reception. Over to you, TJ.
Good on you, Billy. Thanks very much. Chris, she's beautiful, isn't she?
She is. As we we're just saying, she's the Billy Slater of horse racing. He's done an amazing job, great interviews, and it's just been a great carnival. So, yeah, seeing the sprint, the mile, and now this race, it's giving everyone an extra taste of some great horses. And, yeah, she was tough today. She went back from the draw. James didn't panic, and yeah, it was awesome to see her in the straight.
It's just remarkable to think that you know, she can achieve so much. I mean, when she first came into your yard, who could possibly have imagined what you've managed to achieve?
No, we certainly didn't. We were told she's a very good horse, and there's international form. There's something special, and yeah, it's rare for us to get a really high-class horse down here like her. And she was just maturing, so we've got her at the right time. They've done an amazing job over there looking after her, and yeah, just maturity. She's a really big raw mare, and don't worry about her age because she's just matured.
Now, cricket had Lillian Marsh, not a bad combo. You and J-Mac, 50 Group 1s now. It's
an honour to be working with him, and it makes my job and perhaps his job a bit easier. There's no pressure. There's no pre-race stress, or I didn't even give him instructions. Yeah, she said to me, I'm going to ride her like Huey used to ride Winks, the best horse in the race, give her a bit of clean hair. And I said, well, that sounds good to me.
Well, I'll tell you what else sounds good. It's the reception she's about to get. So, as I said, 50 Group 1 races as a partnership, you and J-Mac, and hopefully more to come. Chris, I'm sure you want to greet them both.
Thank you very much.
好咁啊，馬後回歸啊，咁啊英雄式嘅夾道歡迎啊，真係咁啊，真係又一次展現馬後嘅風範。咁啊，麥道朗就將個功勞歸於華禮納嘅團隊啊，因為佢話咁短時間咧要維持隻馬個狀態喺咁高水平咧，其實真係唔係睇咁簡單嘅。咁啊，今日跑起上嚟咧，全程咧就基本上可以話由佢早段喺後邊慢慢加速上嚟開始，直至去到直路啦。估唔到咁早就可以掌控咗局面啦，咁啊都非常讚歎啦！呢匹馬即係就雙國士盾得主，亦都係雙冠軍錦標嘅得主啊，真係難得一遇啊！咁至於華禮納咧，就亦都回顧翻呢匹馬初到佢手嗰時啦，佢就當時就覺得就今天就成為馬後啦。佢就嫌佢唔夠成熟嘅，就等個團隊慢慢嚟，慢慢等佢逐步成熟。咁去到而家咧，就一路去到8歲啊，仍然都係展現到佢嘅光芒出嚟。咁同埋佢都講到佢同麥道朗嘅合作啦。佢話而家根本兩個人合作到咧，我哋都50個一級賽嘅頭馬，冇咩演練需要㗎啦，亦都冇咩策騎指示嘅落到場，咁啊梗係交晒俾麥道朗自己發揮啦嚇，都即係基本上我哋呢啲叫啲組合叫 low pass 嘅根本係。
10號、9號、1號、6號啊，就係第6場冠軍錦標嘅暫定名次。
咁而家嘅剔糖小貓就即係進展到咧2000米就好易上到名，但係贏又未到啊！
咁啊，即刻睇下 S1第6場冠軍錦標嘅預計派出啦。第一名就係10號精緻之道，獨贏派15蚊。位置啊，第一名係10號精緻之道，派11蚊；第二名9號進步道派27個半；第三名係1號剔糖小貓，位置派23個半。連贏9搭10派103個半。 兒童彩10號、9號順序派118蚊。三門彩10號、9號、1號順序派544蚊。單 T 1號、9號、10號派149蚊。位置 Q 9搭10派40蚊，1搭10派37個半，1搭9派103個半。四連環1號、6號、9號、10號派183蚊。四龍彩10號、9號、1號、6號順序派1840蚊。
好啦，咁精緻之道再一次成為澳洲冠軍錦標嘅得主啊！馬後就係馬後，我哋睇重播，知道亦都湧咗上嚟，走出外檔嘅輕取勝啦，然之後咧出埋去外檔咧仲有海動奇景，走內檔博位咧就點數王高快旗嘅，入地之後直路嘅時候啦，咁前邊仲有阿倫克以少少優勢啦，但係長堤碼頭都準備過佢，精緻之道都現身啦，走內檔上咧就進步到啦，然之後上嚟嘅剔糖小貓啊，最後300米嘅時候啦，前面精緻之道咧開始騎落去，剔糖小貓一路黐住佢，中間上緊嚟嘅馬咧長堤碼頭內檔嘅進步道嘅，咁前面精緻之道咧有1個馬位優勢到啦，睇嚟要爭2、3、4名啦。進步道啊，剔糖小貓同埋長堤碼頭爭，前面精緻之道走翻上年條路贏埋冠軍錦標啊！第2名進步道先啊，第3名嘅剔糖小貓，第4名嘅長堤碼頭㗎。
好啦 ，S1 第6場冠軍錦標已經復榜完畢啦。四連環1號、6號、9號、10號派183蚊。四龍彩10號、9號、1號、6號順序派1840蚊。馬步頭關2號、尾關10號正獎派103蚊，安慰獎尾關9號派84個半。四龍彩啊，頭先都睇到啦。馬步今日呢一條正獎就相對比較易少少啊。賽事完成時間2分07秒91。
咁3項1級賽都名花有主咯喎。
勝負距離啦，頭馬贏2碼2.75個馬位，二馬贏3碼0.75個馬位。